Launch-head crossbow. The Launch-head F1 crossbow is a unique and innovative design that offers a number of advantages over traditional crossbows. It is powered by a torsion drive system, which uses two pairs of coiled micro-limbs to store energy. This system is much more compact and lightweight than traditional crossbows, making it easier to carry and maneuver. The Launch-head F1 also has a longer power stroke than most crossbows, which results in greater accuracy and power. Mamba Reverse Crossbow. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is a great option for those who are looking for a powerful and accurate crossbow that is also easy to use. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is powered by a 165-pound drawstring, which gives it a massive amount of power. This crossbow can shoot arrows up to 400 feet per second, making it perfect for target shooting or hunting. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is also very accurate thanks to its built-in scope. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow is also very easy to use. The Mamba Reverse Crossbow also comes with a quiver and a carrying case, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Umrex Airsaber Elite X2. The Umrex Airsaber Elite X2, which is an amazing new air archery gun. The Airsaber Elite X2 is a double-barreled PCP air gun that shoots arrows at speeds of up to 450 frames per second. It has a 240 cubic centimeters on-board tank that can hold enough air for 25 shots. The gun also has a single-stage trigger with a pull weight of 3 pounds, and it comes with a Picatinny rail for mounting optics. It's incredibly accurate, and it's capable of taking down small game with ease. I have also found that the double-barrel design is really convenient, as it allows us to take 2 quick shots without having to reload. Steenbow Fenris. The Fenris is made of lightweight, high-strength materials and is compatible with most modern compound bows. It's also incredibly easy to use. Just load the magazine, insert it into the bow, and you are ready to shoot. The Fenris is made of lightweight, high-strength materials and is compatible with most modern compound bows. It is also found that the quick-fire capability is really useful for target shooting and hunting. Dedrone Drone Defender. The Dedrone Drone Defender, which is a drone detection and mitigation system. The Dedrone Drone Defender is a powerful system that can detect and track drones in real time. It can also jam the signal of drones, preventing them from flying. The Drone Defender is easy to install and use, and it can be used to protect a variety of locations, including airports, prisons, and stadiums. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.